Namaste everybody, I'm Neha Rathi, an holistic and executive coach and a yoga expert. In today's session, we're going to work on the neck, shoulders and upper back tightness. A simple 10 minutes practice to release your tightness in the body. Let's begin by chanting Om 3 times, bringing your hands to the heart center. Take a nice deep breath in. Slowly open your eyes and bring your hands on the knees. Let's begin by bringing your chin to the chest. Feel the stretch in the back of your neck. And then slowly bring your right ear to the right shoulder. And then chin up towards the ceiling or sky for me. Left ear to the left shoulder. And then down, chin to the chest again. Continue making nice big circles with your nose. Breathing in the upward circle. And breathing out while bringing it down. Change the direction. Keep focusing on your breath. Inhale, letting your belly come out. Exhale, the belly goes in. One more nice big circle. Come back to center. One more for your neck. Bring your right hand to the left side of your ears. Take a nice deep breath in. With the exhalation, tilt your head to the right side. Bring your left hand on the mat, or you can slowly take it back. Dropping your left shoulder down. Focusing on your breath with every exhalation, feeling the extension and the stretch on the left side of your neck. Come back to center. Release, bring your fingers back, elbow forward, turn your head to the right and chin to the chest. One more deep breath in and out. Come back to center and release. The left side, bring your left hand to the right side of your ears. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale. Tilt your head to the left. Right hand on the mat and take it back. Dropping your right shoulder down towards the mat. Come back to center, fingers back, elbow forward, turn your head to the left, chin to the chest. With every exhalation, let go of any physical pain that you have in your neck. Come back to center and release. Good. Now let's release our shoulders. Interlock your hands back. Try to straighten up your elbow. Roll your shoulders back and lift your chin up. With exhalation, you can either bring your head back to the center, or if you're comfortable, then you're going to bend forward and lift your hands up. Inhale, up again. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up. Exhale, forward. Come back to center and release. Lift both your shoulders up. towards your ears. Roll it back, back, back and down. Up. Roll it back, shoulder blades together. Push it back, back, back and down. Once more. Up. Roll it back, back, back and down. Excellent. Now bring your elbow closer to the body. Push it back. Lift your shoulders up. Roll it forward and down. Back, up, forward and down. Once more. Back. Trying to bring the elbows closer to each other. Up. Forward, forward, forward and down. Good. Excellent. Now bring your fingertips on your shoulders. Bring your elbow together. Yeah. Trying to bring your elbows together. And now lift your elbows up, trying to touch your right arm to your right ear, left to the left, elbows pointing up towards the ceiling. Take it back, shoulder blades together and down. Inhale in the upward circle. Exhale while bring it back. Inhale up and exhale back. Change the direction. Back, up, forward and down. Back, up, forward and down. Last one. Back, up, forward and down. Excellent. Let's continue with the next one. Turn your palm facing the knees, chin to the chest, push your back behind. Inhale, rolling your shoulders back, chest forward and chin up. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, chest, open up your chest and look up. Once more. Exhale. Inhale and release. Now coming into a twist, bring your right hand on the left knee, left hand back on the floor. Straighten up your elbow to lift your spine up and twist to the left. With every exhalation, you will twist more. Twist first your abdomen, then your chest, and then look over your back shoulder. One more deep breath in, and with the next exhalation, you'll come back to center. The other side, right hand back, left hand on your right knee, and twist. And come back to center. For the next one, we're going to lie down on our mat. Lying down on your side. Your ankle and knee in straight line. This is 90 degrees. You can keep your head rested on your arms. So I'm lying down on the right side, so my left hand is on the top. Inhale, making a nice big circle. Keep touching the floor or the ground. Trying to touch your left shoulder to the floor. Bring your hands all the way down till your glutes. And with the exhalation, bring it back. Inhale, up again. Exhale, back. Bring your hands until your knees and then again rotate it back. If you feel your knees are lifting up, then you can use your right hand to keep your knees down and rotate. Okay, one more for your upper back. Touch the left hand forward, and then rotate, trying to keep your elbows straight, rotate and touch the back of your palm to the floor or the ground. Inhale, forward, exhale, twist. Release all the tightness from your back. Exhale, twist. You can continue as many times as you want. We'll do it one more last time and then we change the side. You can also hold it as long as you want and then continue the normal breathing. Now changing the side, changing to the other side. You can bring your left hand to bring your knees down, right hand in the front, rotate and bring it back. Try to keep your elbows straight and try to keep touching to the floor. Once more. And then bring it back. Okay, now we'll do the last set. Hands forward, exhale, twist and turn back. Try to touch your shoulder down, the back of your palm down. Inhale, come forward, exhale, twist. Again, you can hold it as long as you want, or you can do as many times as you want till you release your upper back. Try doing this every day if you feel there's a lot of tightness in your upper back. Coming back to center and then slowly pushing through your upper hand, coming to sitting. Okay, and now let's complete the session by chanting Om once together, bringing your hands to the heart center. Take a nice deep breath in. Om. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me for today's session, and I hope this really helped you to release the tension in your neck, shoulder and your upper back. Thank you. Namaste.